It's one of life's simplest and greatest pleasures, the fine, fun art of swinging. Whether young or old, mastering the forces of flight combined with inevitable gravity is a universal joy. Jolie will show us how to swing on a traditional belt swing seat. Walk up, make sure your swing path is clear, stand in front of the seat, grab the chains with both hands, hop on the seat, sit down. With your feet on the ground, lean forward in your seat, which pushes the seat back. Now push off from the ground with your feet while you pull back on the chains. You'll start swinging back and forth. Extend your legs straight in front of you as you swing forward. When you swing backwards, bend your legs at the knee and tuck them under the swing seat. Pump your legs to gain momentum, height, and speed. Lean back to go higher. Lean forward to slow down. Now you're swinging. As you pump your legs back and forth, you gain more height, speed, and confidence. Yep, you've got it. Find your own rhythm and relax and enjoy. To stop swinging and slow down, reduce your leg movement, then gradually slow down while gently dragging your feet on the ground until you're slow enough to stop all the way. After you come to a complete stop, hold on to the chains, then stand up. As you get off the seat, let go of the chains and look around for anyone else on the swings. Then walk away and come back later for more. Thanks, Jolie.